After 60, many people believe strength is something that slowly disappears. But the body does not lose its ability to adapt. It only waits for a reason to respond. Today you give it that reason. You are not chasing youth. You are building capability. You are building stability. You are building confidence that supports everyday life. A strong body after 60 is not about appearance alone. It is about independence. It is about safety and movement. It is about living without hesitation. Muscle responds to use at any age. Balance responds to practice. Posture responds to awareness. Progress begins with simple actions. These 5 exercises are designed for safety first. They protect joints while strengthening muscles. They support natural movement patterns. They can be done in a small space at home. You do not need special equipment. You do not need intense effort. You need consistency and control. And you begin right now. Sit comfortably on a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Align your shoulders over your hips. Prepare to move with intention. Lean slightly forward from the hips. Press through your heels gently. Stand up slowly without rushing. Pause briefly in the standing position. Lower yourself back down with control. Avoid dropping into the chair. Let your muscles guide the motion. Control is where strength begins. This movement strengthens the thighs and hips. It trains coordination between muscles and balance. It supports standing, walking, and climbing stairs. Strong legs support a strong life. As you repeat the movement, awareness increases. Muscles activate more efficiently. Balance becomes more reliable. Confidence begins quietly. Strength is not built through force. It is built through consistency. It is built through repetition. It is built through patience. Now stand facing a wall. Place your hands gently against it. Step back slightly for stability. Keep your body aligned and steady. Lower your body toward the wall slowly. Allow your elbows to bend naturally. Press back gently to the starting position. Move with smooth and controlled effort. Keep breathing relaxed and steady. Avoid holding tension in the shoulders. Maintain alignment from head to heel. Awareness improves movement quality. This exercise strengthens the chest and arms safely. It supports lifting and carrying activities. It improves joint stability. Upper body strength protects independence. Small improvements accumulate over time. Movement becomes easier. Posture becomes more natural. Confidence grows quietly but steadily. Strength after 60 is a process. It is not rushed. It is not forced. It is cultivated gradually. Stand behind a chair for support. Rest your hands lightly on the backrest. Keep your posture upright and relaxed. Prepare to move with control. Lift your heels slowly from the floor. Rise as high as comfortable. Pause briefly at the top. Lower down gently with control. This movement strengthens the lower legs. It improves balance during walking. It supports coordination and stability. Strong calves support confident movement. Balance is not accidental. It is a trained skill. It improves with repetition. It strengthens through awareness. Each repetition teaches your body stability. Each session improves coordination. Each movement builds trust in your balance. Confidence grows through control. Now sit tall in your chair again. Lengthen your spine gently upward. Relax your shoulders naturally. Prepare to activate the core. Lift one knee slowly toward your chest. Lower it back down with control. Alternate sides with smooth movement. Keep breathing calm and steady. This exercise activates the core muscles. It supports spinal alignment. It improves posture during movement. Core stability supports safe mobility. A strong core reduces strain on the back. It supports balance while walking. It improves overall coordination. Strength begins at the center of the body. Now hold a resistance band securely. Sit or stand with stable posture. Pull your elbows backward slowly. Gently squeeze the shoulder blades together. Return to the starting position with control. Avoid quick or jerking movements. Keep breathing relaxed and natural. Awareness improves posture quality. This movement strengthens the upper back. It improves shoulder stability. It supports upright posture. Posture influences breathing and comfort. Standing taller changes how movement feels. Breathing becomes easier. Shoulders relax naturally. Confidence appears in posture. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Controlled movement builds lasting strength. Slow repetition trains coordination. Patience produces reliable progress. Perform these exercises 3 times per week. Allow rest when needed. Listen to your body's signals. Recovery supports improvement. Within weeks, many adults notice greater stability. Movement feels smoother and safer. Energy begins to improve gradually. Daily tasks require less effort. Real change happens gradually. It is built through repeated effort. It is strengthened through patience. It is sustained through consistency. Within months, posture often improves noticeably. Balance becomes more reliable. Movement feels lighter and easier. Confidence returns naturally. Strength is not defined by appearance. It is defined by capability. It is defined by stability. It is defined by independence. Every controlled movement trains the nervous system. Every repetition improves coordination. Every session strengthens resilience. Progress accumulates quietly. Notice how slow movement protects the joints. Notice how breathing supports control. Notice how awareness improves posture. These changes build lasting strength. As your body adapts, daily life becomes easier. Standing from a chair requires less effort. Walking feels more stable. Balance becomes more dependable. Movement quality influences overall health. Better circulation supports muscle function. Stronger muscles support joint protection. Improved posture supports breathing. Confidence grows through physical capability. Capability supports independence. Independence supports freedom. Freedom supports quality of life. Healthy aging is an active process. It is guided by movement. It is supported by awareness. It is sustained by consistency. Your body continues adapting throughout life. Muscles respond to training. Balance responds to practice. Strength responds to repetition. You are building more than muscle. You are building stability. You are building resilience. You are building confidence for the future. Progress may feel subtle at first, but subtle improvements accumulate. Small gains become meaningful change. Consistency creates transformation. Your strongest years are not defined by age. They are defined by action. They are defined by persistence. They are defined by commitment to movement. Strength supports independence. Independence supports confidence. Confidence supports an active life. This is the true dream physique after 60. Stay patient with your progress. Stay consistent with your practice. Stay aware of your improvement. Your effort is building real change. If this guidance supports you, subscribe to vitaSignal 60. Continue learning how to strengthen your health naturally. Stay active, stay strong, and keep moving forward with confidence.